If you love simple and comforting food, you have to try these beef stuffed crepes. Today, we're making soft and delicious crepes filled with beef and rice. This is one of my favorite childhood dishes, and it's incredibly satisfying. Make sure to watch until the end, because the final result is amazing. In a blender, combine warm milk and warm water. Then add melted butter. Make sure it's slightly cooled. Add a pinch of salt, sugar, and the eggs, one by one. Then add all-purpose flour. Blend everything until smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can mix it by hand. That works too. For a smooth texture, strain the batter to remove any lumps. Then let it rest at room temperature for about an hour. This helps relax the gluten and gives you soft, lump-free crepes. After resting, give the batter a quick mix. Heat your pan over medium heat and lightly grease it once. After that, you don't need to grease it again. Pour about 1/3 cup of batter into the pan. Spread it evenly. When the edges start to lift and the surface looks dry, it's ready to flip. Flip gently and cook the other side until lightly golden. The first crepe is usually not perfect, but the next ones will turn out beautiful. Repeat the process, and don't forget to mix the batter before each crepe. Look at them, soft, thin, and perfect. Now let's make the filling. In a pan, cook ground beef in its own fat. No extra oil needed. Add 2 medium onions, finely diced. Cook everything together. Add salt and black pepper and cook until the onions are soft. Then add cooked rice and mix everything well. And just like that, your filling is ready. Now comes my favorite part. Take one crepe, add a generous spoon of filling near the edge, and roll it up tightly. It's so simple and so satisfying. Repeat with all the crepes. Take a look inside, so soft and full of flavor. I hope you give this recipe a try. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one.